I finally got the call that my Demon 170 is finally ready. So now I got to go and actually get over to the dealership and finally pick up my car. Maybe pretty fitting I can finally wear this hat right here. I want to finally pick up my Demon. I was waiting on my Demon for like, what, 2 weeks? Dropped off like February 19th. They got the spark plug done in like a couple of days after the actual, I guess the recall said supposed to be getting done within a couple of hours. And then I had a massive oil leak that they told me about. And I had to get a brand new oil cooler. So then I had to wait a week for that. Well, it was about a week for that. So I had to wait a week for the oil cooler. And then they told me that it was going to take a few days to put the oil cooler on there because they was being extra careful trying to put my D170 together. So they got it in, and then it took a couple of days. And then next thing I know, they told me it was like, oh, it should be ready by your birthday, like which was last Friday. Wasn't ready then. Then it's like, oh yeah, well, you know, it's gonna be a situation where we don't have the time, I guess, to finish it because we got some issues or whatever. So like, we'll get it done by Monday. So then Monday comes along, and they still can't get it done. So then it's like, okay, oh, well, we'll get it done by Tuesday. So I'm going like, I try to ask them on Tuesday. Still can't get it done. So then I go to the dealership, and that's when they tell me, oh, yeah, well, you know what? We want to be extra careful with your Demon to make sure everything's done right. So they gave me that BS excuse. So then now here it is Wednesday after like 3 o'clock. So they had my car for an extra week for an oil cooler. And it takes them almost a week for an oil cooler on. I'm not really buying it. So I'm gonna head over there in a few minutes, get dropped off, and bring my Demon 170 back home for the first time in almost 2 weeks. Craziness. So I'll let y'all guys know when I get in there. The weather's warming up, which means it is time to bring your favorite ride out of hibernation. And what better way to kick off the season than by saving up to 15% off on the top aftermarket accessories for your muscle car, pony car, truck, or SUV. My friends at JustBolt-Ons and DragRacingWheels.com have you covered. Use my promo code BUTTER at checkout, and if you need some sticky Mickeys, you got till March 31st to save up to $100 on a set of tires. So don't wait, hit up my friends at JustBolt-Ons and DragRacingWheels.com, where the best deals online just got even better. My baby, finally getting fixed. Look at my little leak right there. My car was leaking this little oil spot right here. Whew. Number 121 is a Demon.
Eventually.
Okie dokie.
Sell some cars today, boy.
That's why he's looking for somebody. Looking for somebody to get a sale out of. Oh. Yeah. Finally get my car back after 2 weeks. I finally get back after 2 weeks of wait.
What'd you have done on it?
Well, I was supposed to get a recall done on my Demon, but then they found a bad oil cooler.
The Demon back there, the green one? Everybody was going crazy over it. They were like, there's a Demon in the back shop. I said, where? It's nice.
Yeah,
they were working their ass off on that stuff. They were working their butt off on that.
Oh, well, I know a lot of stuff had to come off of it since they had to take off most of the top of the engine, got all the spark plugs out of there.
And just beware, there was a car that was beside yours that had a really, really bad gas leak out of it. And I heard from 2 other customers that also had their vehicles close that it smelled a little bit like gas. It won't break, it won't, but just in case, if you smell it, not your car, it's somebody else's.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
There's no money taken today, so the car should be good. You have a great rest of your day.
Oh, thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Oh. pretty strong. Oh yeah. It feels real good. Yeah, it feels real good. Man, it pulls pretty strong now. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm kind of going almost sideways a little bit. Whew. Oh, I got some power now. Golly, I like this. Jesus. Oh man. I forgot how fast this damn car was. I ain't drove it in like damn 2 months. That's like half throttle and I'm already scared. Jesus. Oh my goodness. That is just stupid fast. I mean, that is crazy stupid fast now. Oh, I'm liking this now. It feels crisp. Like real crispy, like very like instant. That's what it feels like. It feels like I got like an instant hit now. It definitely feels a little bit more responsive than it was before I had the spark plug recall done. But I can tell there's a little bit quickness to it. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, I love this car, man. Oh, this car is just stupid fast. And now with all these spark plugs replaced, oh my goodness, man. There's nothing better than a Demon. I'm sorry. Oh God, this is so awesome. See, look. Yeah, gotta unlock the 1,025 horsepower. Got my own little custom mode. Oh no. All my modes got changed. How the fudge? Oh, hold on. Am I being custom? Okay. Alright, there we go. That's how I should be looking. So I like. Oh my goodness. Oh, there go the snappiness right there. There go the snappiness. Then the nose just lifts up. If you ever get a chance to ride a Demon 170, you got to ride in one. These cars are just so much fun. Let's go do a nice little. And then the sound is so. Man, can't no Charger to Daytona do that. Now I really let go of me. Golly. Yeah. Nasty. Very, very nasty. Very, very nasty. Oh my goodness. It's definitely a lot snappier now. Man. Hell, it even felt fast in auto. It feels stupid fast now. Now I got my car set up like I normally drive it. Oh my goodness. It's like. Like, it threw me in my seat before, but I don't think I ever recall throwing my seat like this. Like, it really throws you in your seat. Jesus. Like you literally pick up like 30, like that. Oh, somebody with a Challenger. Right there in front of me with a octane red. Oh, he got him like a little V6 car. What? Oh my goodness, man. I'm just so happy. My car is back. I got to charge my damn remote for my alarm. But oh my goodness. But I can definitely tell I got some power. Oh, and I missed that damn blower wine. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. Did I tell you how much I love this car? This car is so damn awesome, man. Oh my goodness. You should sell your demons if you don't like it like that. And I'm like, oh dummies. Man, they don't realize, you know, when I make videos about stuff and I try to point things out, I want it better because I actually own the product too. Right? So, you know, saying that I want these spark plugs and stuff taken care of and fixed, and now they got a recall. Now the car feels a lot better than what it did. And then hopefully, you know, with the harmonic balancer or the dampener or whatever you want to call it, if they get that fixed and taken care of, that way I ain't got to worry about you know, a blown engine or whatever. So it's all meant to actually get results so we can have fun with our cars. Like, I don't think I stopped smiling yet. It's just so stupid awesome. It's like literally the perfect car. I really do want to delete my rear seat. Like delete my rear seat, a cage, a freaking parachute, the little parachute handle. Oh my goodness, that just made the car just look so crazy. First, I need to get some more Mickey Thompson tires. I need to order some. But man, it's just stupid fast, man. Just stupid fast. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get it. So glad my baby's at home.